element cover is a feature of a shape, configuration, pattern, ornament, that composition of lines or colors. All these parts will taken into, for example, if I take a packaging, that composition of a colors is very important, right. So, similarly you can just imagine that Coca-Cola bottle, the shape is taken into consideration. So, that will also kind of follow, or that will be fall under the category of a industrial design protection. Or if I take a wheel, car wheel, on that wheel that grooves are there, that pattern is there. Okay, so that also will qualify for the industrial design protection. Next, we can just see that it may be a two-dimensional product, it may be a three-dimensional, or in a both way. You are looking into that product, maybe two-dimensional, maybe three-dimensional, and any industrial process or a means are used for the production of that. It may be manually created, it may be mechanically created, it may be chemically created, or either separate or a combination of all these three. It will be there when it is a